the Sportsman's Guides at SHOT Show 2024. We are in the Tipton booth and we're talking with Trent. You know, Tipton's kind of a household name in gun care, gun maintenance.
Yep.
You've got a really cool product to talk about this year that you're bringing out, the 360.
Yep. So Tipton, you know, we've been making gun vises for over 25 years. That's really like our flagship products. We try to make just the gun cleaning, anything you're doing maintenance-wise on a gun, just a little bit more enjoyable, a better experience, because we understand that that's not the most exciting thing about ownership of a firearm.
True.
So we have all our vices here, again, over 25 years. Our newest addition to that lineup is the Best Gun Vise 360. So why is it called a 360? Let me show you. It's on a ball head at the top of this stem, so you can get anywhere you need to maneuver to get to on your firearm. It allows you to do that. Just simply friction lock it back in place. $149 MSRP,
nice.
Very attractive price point. And what you get with that, there's going to be stainless steel jaws in here that'll have an ARCA and pick rail slot, so it'll hold anything. Like we have one in the ARCA rail up here, pick rail, anything you want to do, you can do metal on metal. If you don't want to do metal on metal, we have these firm jaws that are included that have that same feature at the top. Also have some V-cut grooves for if you want to secure a barrel,
sure,
any kind of cylindrical object. Then we'll also send with these honeycomb non-marring jaws, which are great. That's what we have here holding the stock.
Right.
It's a great non-marring,
not marring your stocks. Right?
Not messing up any stocks. You can tell it's a very small footprint. That's by design. It's a true bench top. Nothing's hanging off the bench,
right,
so you're not having to worry about bumping into anything. It has a very good center of gravity, so you can just tuck it away in a corner if you're not using it. You can take it anywhere with you because you can use removable C-clamps to just secure it anywhere. So if you need to take it to the range, set it up somewhere that's not a permanent solution, you can do that. Also has 3 mounting holes to secure it anywhere on the workbench. So.
That is awesome. What a great product.
Yep.
And you can see this and all the other Tipton products at the Sportsman's Guide.